This is a 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack with a 6.4. We just removed the factory muffler, the factory tip, give it a nice clean look with the dual outlet burnt tips there. Like I said, took the mufflers off. It previously had the mid mufflers taken off. It's got these Walker race bullets in there, but it's all stock up front. It's gonna really wake it up. Might even wake up the dead. Let's see what it sounds like. Like I said, definitely going to wake the neighbors up. Kind of calms down a little bit once it comes off a cold idle. But it's definitely a rumbling. Sounds pretty good.